Today is Santa Claus is Coming to Town Entryway Collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Their co-hosts are Design with Emma, myself, Jennifer at Home, Joyful Decor by Denise, and Sonia down south. Come along as I show you my entry. Today's video is Santa Claus is Coming to Town Entryway Collaboration. Come along with me as I show you my entryway. And this is my front porch. Now I will be going back and adding to and making changes to it. So when I do my home tour, I will bring you back and show it to you. So let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. The joy sign, it was actually silver. I tried painting it gold. I did not like it. So what I did, I went back in and painted it white, but I did leave some of the gold leaves on the little wreath. And it was from Burlington's. I have my little white lantern here with the white balls inside and the Merry Christmas and buffalo check ribbon. That is a lantern I had for a very long time. Then you see I have the very tall pots on each side, and I transported them from a smaller pot. I will show you a picture of that in the beginning. And I do have a video on it where I'm DIY transporting the trees from the little pots to the bigger pots. Those large pots were from Amazon, and the trees were 2 for $49. I picked them up about 3 years ago at Walmart, and they are really nice. They pre-lit and flocked. So I've added the ribbons with the little Christmas trees on them and says Merry Christmas. The ribbon was from Walmart. Up here I've added a smaller wreath with that same Christmas tree ribbon with the little gold stars on them. That was also from Walmart. Now I will be changing that wreath. As I told you, this will change after Thanksgiving. And here I have this cute little mat, and it was from Ross's, and it was only $5.99, but it was really cute. And then I have my larger lantern here with the balls inside of it, and they both light up. So what I'm going to do now, this is the day view. I'm going to go ahead and give you the night view.